Today our topic is the lowest common multiple. Already have learned highest common factor HCF. So today we are going to learn lowest common multiple. In simple it is called as LCM. Let us see what is LCM. Here LCM means the smallest number that can be divided by two or more numbers is called the LCM. So, what are the number of questions given in the question? So, the number of questions is maybe 2, 3, 4. So, irrespective of the number of questions, means apart from the number of questions, the smallest number which can be divided the given numbers, maybe 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 4 numbers or any other numbers. So, is known as a LCM. See here Nana, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. How to get multiples of any number? Already we have discussed previous. So, if you multiply any number by natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like tables, we will get the multiples of that number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 like this. So, there is no limit to find number of multiples. We have so many number of multiples for every number. So, we know this concept in properties of multiples. Okay. So, in the same way, the multiples of 8, 16, 24, 32. After 32, what is the next multiple of 8? Simply 8 table, 8 5s are 40. 40 is the next multiple of 8 after 32. Now, if you observe multiples of 4 and multiples of 8, some multiples are common in both the list. What are they? 8 is common in both, 16 is common in both. If you check, if you try to write some more multiples, 24 is common, 32 is common, 40 is common like this. So, no need to write all the multiples, all the common multiples. What are the first common multiple? First means least common. First one was the least one. So, first one becomes as a least one. Among these common multiples, identify the least one, nothing but first one. This first one only our LCM. L means least, C means common, M means multiple. The least common multiple from the given numbers. Okay, so multiples of 4 and multiples of 8, we have so many common multiples, 8, 16, 24 and so on. Among these all, 8 is the least one. So, the answer is 8 only. If you see here, one more example, the multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40 and so on. So, the multiples of 5. 5 ones, 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and so on. From these both the list of multiples, which are the common? From multiples of 10 and from multiples of 5, the common multiples are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. So, among these all the multiples, which is the least one? Means first one. So, 10 is the least common multiple for 10 and 5. So, LCM is equal to 10. This is about LCM. Now, we will see methods of finding LCM. Already we know methods of finding HCF. What are the three methods? The first one is a prime factorization method. The second one is a short division method. Third one is a long division method. In the same way, we have two methods for finding LCM. What is the first one? First one is prime factorization method. The second one is common division method. Now we will learn prime factorization method today. Take here one example. Find the LCM of 24 and 56. Now we are going to solve this question by the first method, that is prime factorization method. Already we know how to do the prime factorization method. What are the two numbers given here? 24 and 56. Now we are taking 24 first. We know how to do the prime factorization method. First of all, we are going to check by the least prime number, that is 2. Now 2 12s are 24. So like this, 2 12s are 24. Next again 12 is, so by multiplying like this, 2 12s are 24, which means we are going to divide 24 by 2. So here multiplication as well as division is also there. Now the quotient we got 12. Again we are going to check, means we are going to divide this 12 by the least prime number 2. 2 6 are 12. Next the quotient is 6. Now 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is left. Here 3 is not divisible by 2. That's why we are moving to the next prime number, that is 3. So first prime number is a 2. 2 after next prime number is a 3. 3. It is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3. Whenever you got 1 as a quotient, stop the process. And if you observe, we got here 4 prime factors. What are they? First one is a 2. Second one is also 2. Third one is 2. And fourth one is a 3. So here 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now we will take second number 56. What is the second number? 56. 56 is also divisible by the first prime number 2. So we are taking 2. How many times? 2. 28 times we will get 56. So 28 is the quotient here. Again we are dividing this 28 by 2. 2 14s are 28. So 14 is the quotient. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14. Now this 7 is not divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then move to the next prime number 3. Is it divisible? No. 7 is also not divisible by 3. Then move to the next prime number 5. Isn't it? Yes. 7 is also not divisible by 5. 5 after what is the next prime number? 7. So 7 is divisible by 7. Every number is divisible by itself one time. So 7 ones are 7. Then stop the process. So how many factors we got here? 4 factors. First one is a 2. Second one is also 2. Third one is also 2. And the fourth one is 7. So 56 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Now let us see how to find out the LCM by these both prime factors.